Hi there, today we're going to be replacing a Mira shower head holder. So basically this is our shower and the holder has broken. When I move the soap dish at the bottom, the holder has dropped. Normally it sits on the pole and there is an adjuster which you tighten. Now this has broken. As you can see, it's just loose at the moment. So what is normally there is the handle or the adjuster. And as you can see, it's snapped inside. Normally, as you twist it, it tightens and grips the pole. So that's how you can move it up and down. So basically, I've had to order a new one. I've put the link to Amazon in the description below. So it arrived. I've opened up the Mira package. We've got a new adjuster, the new handle, and as well as that, some instructions and an Allen key. Let's get started. So, first off, we need to remove the two bolts on each of the wall mounts. One at the top, one at the bottom. Now we're using the Allen key that was provided. Now the bolt is just about to come out now, and this will enable us to remove the pole from the wall. So before we can do anything, we need to remove the top clasp. It's got a screw inside, so let's undo that, get that clasp thing off. Now, once we've done that, we can remove the original adjuster. Now, this is the new one. So unscrew the inside part from the actual adjuster head, and then feed it over the pole. And then using the sort of the handle part, you can tighten that up and then that will grip the pole. So before we put it back on, we have to put the connector, the wall connector, back on top. And normally you can screw that on as well using the screw as we did before. Once that's connected, you can feed it back onto the wall connectors at the top and the bottom. Using the Allen key, connect the bolts to stop it from moving about. Top one done. Just finishing off the bottom one. Now you can feed the shower hose through this Perspex soap tray. I haven't in this instance, just gives us a little bit more flexibility. So, all done. It will now move up and down and it will stay in place as required, depending on the size of the person who's showering. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found it useful, please like and don't forget to subscribe to look out for more videos coming soon.